bago po ipakilala sa inyo yung mga coaches, explain ko lang, no? Or explain ko lang na every start of camp, pag darating tayo, napansin nyo naman kanina mayroong basketball. Diba? So, dito sa tayo naka-station, so tayo, pagdating natin, ikikipot na tayo dito sa side na to. Okay? Sa teachers dito sa side na to. Okay? Narinig natin dyan, doon na tayo magkakay. Okay? And then, ang reason for that is, una, safety. No? Third na lang basta, open po yung video. Tapos, yung factor na kahit po may gusto ko kayo sa bahay, para po kami yung environment ng kasi hindi po lang kayo yung mga business value. Gusto natin maging maganda yung business value. Para po lahat ng mga nakakaroon ng business. Okay po. Thank you.
Okay guys, so ilan yung lahat ng coaches no? Okay, so let's post natin.
Hi, welcome to Actors. I'm Christine, the follow-up so if you have any concerns about others, you can contact us through the email or I will also assist Thank you.
Okay guys, so right now, bisita tayo sa video. Kapakapamala. Okay, so I'm Coach Joe. Okay, you're head coach for this Dev Anak. Okay, Asyana. Okay, I started my Valley Nolan. I was grade 5. Okay, expert lang nila ako. Actually, nanonood lang ako sa kanila eh. Tapos na-inspire ako, sabi ko, ay, bakit hindi ako nanonood? Naging Coach Luis, ang lakas ko mga ng Coach Alban, at hindi kumapang ng coaching, tapos nag-concert yung Coach Alban, diba? So, na-inspire ako, nag-tuloy na rin ako, guys. Okay? And then, former player of Valley University of University of Perpetual F, Laguna, so I'm very for being inspired, and then very for inspiring and and then, guys, here, I started coaching in pandemic, and then this is my business. This is fun. So, memorable and pagpasok ng pagtag ng parts, wala na. Stop na. Okay, so, workout na. So, memorable yun. And then, this is my 5 years. Hopefully na magtagal ba ako dito ako, mag-consider ako, mag-video ako, makapag-share ako. Makapag-share ako ng knowledge ng other branch din. Okay? Nag-start ako sa South, and then now, dito sa Asyana, and then, share na yung knowledge about volleyball. And then I hope na challenge ko din ako, and then other coaches, and then mas maganda ako mag-share tayo ng experiences natin about volleyball. Okay ba yan, guys? Okay. So yun, guys, ngayon dito tayo ngayon sa Blue Cup. Okay, so Blue Cup, introduce ko na sa inyo, more on basic or fundamentals of volleyball. So sa Blue Cup, guys, ito namin how to play volleyball. Okay, and then we have big later on, after natin big is more on reinforcement skills or building high competition skills na. So kung gusto nyo na medyo intense, pwede tayo kapalun doon. Pero before that, kailangan nyo na matapos yung Blue Cup. Okay? Then kung makapag-proceed tayo sa Blue Cup, meron tayong Red Cup. Yan. So Red Cup natin is more on how to win na, guys. So more on strategy, techniques, teamwork na, guys, and then doon natin yung out of the system play na, doon natin malalaman yung system role, system position, nandun na yun, guys. So yun, kung gusto nyo namin kung matutunan yung mga ganong like varsity level na, pwede tayo mag-isip sa Red Cup. Okay, before that, syempre, kailangan nyo matapos yung kaya ito na kayo, sa susunod na. Okay, guys. So yun lang, guys. I hope na kung gusto nyo big, hanggang mag-total na hindi na kayo detalan tayo natin. Okay? Yun lang, guys. And then, yun, hopefully, mag-enjoy tayo sa Asyana, guys. And then, hopefully, yung mga expectation nyo sa ating mga coaches is mag-in natin. Okay? Yun lang, guys. And then, once na may suggestion nyo, coach gusto namin katutunan nyo dito. Open kami guys. Okay, open kami mga coaches nyo para kung ano pa yung gusto nyo matutunan in HB. Okay, guys, yun lang mag-start tayo. And then we have protocol pala guys. So, pag once mag-start tayo, meron tayong prayer. So, si Coach Joe or coaches yung mag-a-assign sa yung prayer. So, siya yung magiging leader for the whole day yung camp natin. Okay? Sa day, sa ano natin, tawag natin. Okay? And then after that, pag nag-pray tayo, mag-a-assign tayo, babalik sa yung leader. And then 1, 2, 3. And then we'll after the coaches, we'll after the coach, we'll after the leaders. Okay? And then mag-a-assign tayo. Then we are here. Okay? Yung leader mag-stop ng PR and then leaders. Okay? Here, guys, and then like si Coach Joe kasi gusto niya, very organized kailangan. Gusto ko ganyan guys, meron tayo tulong, and then nakita ko meron ko yung body. Okay, kung baga, pag hindi sa likod ko, meron pang partner. Para pag ako sa nag-side, kung tayo, may resource mention tayo, meron na tayo partner, hindi na kailangan na body. Okay, so medyo, nakakatagal tayo sa oras. Okay, so gusto din ni Coach Joe, pag ako sa nag-break tayo, break tayo guys. Okay, and then once nag-whistle ang coaches, respect to whistle. Okay, pag nag-whistle, hindi na kailangan 3 times or more than 3 times to whistle. Dapat once pa lang, gagawin ang nag-whistle ang discussion nila. And then once na mag-discuss yung mga coaches, and then once na mag-execute, guys, focus dun sa coaches. Okay, here, para once na mag-execute tayo ng bilis, hindi na meron pang kalawa ng question. Coach, pupunta sa coach sa dito. Okay, hindi. Dapat yung focus ng coach nandun sa coaches na nagtutulong during the instruction. Okay, during the instruction, dapat ang focus